Hey, I'm Ty.
And I'm Gwen, and these are our daughters, Michaela and Aaliyah.
Now there's Asher.
And we're the Rams.
We're childhood sweethearts who have built a life filled with faith, family, and adventure.
We've been living the American dream, but realized we wanted more to life and wanted to live our dreams. We have this crazy idea to pick up our family and take a leap of faith into new adventures.
Follow us as we start our journey into RV living, business building, homeschooling, dream chasing adventures.
Like, comment, subscribe, and come
Roam with the Rams.
Gwen is busy at work, putting the backsplash on. And then I took off the pantry doors, and I am going to be painting this section white to match everything else. We gotta travel today, so Gwen's putting the cabinets back on even though I haven't painted them yet. We gotta keep our food in the pantry. This morning we're gonna take this bed back that we got from Costco. It's a residential queen, it's a nice bed, but it's a little bit longer. Short queen would go to about right here, and we'd have that much more walk space. Also, the slide doesn't close with this bed because it's too long. So we gotta take this back. So I got this whole side, sticker removed, WD-40 to get rid of the oxidation. So far it's looking pretty good. I'm happy with it. All right, how's it going, guys? We are in Lancaster, California. Whole lot of painting going on. I'm up here working on the top, taping up all the ceilings so that no paint gets upon it, and then everything's just gonna go white. Gwen's working on taking the border off there. She went to get a heat gun or a blow dryer.
I'm just gonna try to, spray as much as I can.
How am I supposed to do anything while I'm on baby duty?
How do moms do it? Burn. How does it look?
Looking good. Should we have that door shut
Working
too?
on it. No. So I need this to dry a little. I need to get a bag for this so it doesn't dry out.
Looks good.
Thank you. I'm gonna put that on there. So I think, minus the girls' cabinets, I think these are the last cabinet doors we need to paint. And then inside, obviously, we have a ton of... inside we have a ton of painting to do. And cabinets need touched up big time. So I want to get that wax Lindsay was talking about. And she said it's supposed to protect it. I need to look into what exactly it is. But we're doing it. We're doing it. Maybe tonight, if the girls fall asleep, we can get in there and at least put a base coat in there, you know?
So I know that the last time, it's been over a year or so since we uploaded, and we were working on our other trailer, renovating it. We never even did a full walkthrough, but we have plenty of footage to show you a walkthrough. And
Tell them all the things I did today.
No.
Took a 3-hour nap.
no, I told them that we know it's been a while since we uploaded, but we just want to catch up. And the facts are we have a new trailer.
We had a baby, we had a trailer. E-I-E-I-O.
So I took off that framing, the slide out framing there. Obviously gonna do some distressed wood, stain it. I don't know if I'll distress it, but I will. It'll be stained wood. And right now I'm working on taking that one off, and it's just basically finishing nails that they just popped in there, so it pops right off. All right, so that's what I'm working on. I think we're gonna paint this whole room today, and I will continue painting above the slide out. I've got another coat to go. I did these cabinets. It's getting there. We're tackling it. Popped it right off. See that? That easy. So easy, caveman can do it. Only thing is I think that, yeah, there's some finishing nails there. I think the last owner put a wood screw on the bottom of that one, so I have to take that out real quick. I just want to show you how easy that was. It's pretty dang easy. This is day 3, actually day 3 up here where we're working on it. So we're getting all the white. It's taking a little bit longer than I thought it would take. That's just because the rollers work better than the brushes. And Gwen has got this design going on in the bathroom so far on those sides. And then we're gonna do the shiplap. Still working in here. I actually haven't got in here yet.
We got a lot of junk in here. We're gonna clear it out. We bought all the flooring yesterday and we're ready to go. So let's get to work. Is it recording? Mm-hmm. Okay. All right, guys. Pulling up the carpet. Slowly, because I don't want to kick up a whole bunch of dust.
Why don't you do a time lapse?
So we're kind of doing a little... Our last trailer, it was all glued down, and so it was a pain to get up. I had to scrape it with a heat gun. As you guys can go look back at our other videos, you can see that process. But this was just laying there, so I just pulled right up, taking the carpet off the steps, because I'm going to be doing some, stained wood on the top of that or whatever, and also wallpaper holiday or tile underneath the face there. I know I'm showing you guys little steps at a time each day to see the progress. And today I guess I'm just prepping for the floor. I don't know if I'm gonna get anything started or where I'm gonna give it a start. Probably in the slide out area as usual. Come to there and then do the rest of it. Get started on it. It's a mission to get a good solid white in here because these walls were brownish. That brown in there. It takes quite a bit of layerage, if that's a word, to get them all solid white. So we're still working on that. Our flooring is here, so that's the next thing. After it's all white, I don't want to get any paint on the flooring, so we're getting the painting done first so we can go ahead and get the flooring done. Finished the slide out yesterday. Today I started the main floor. I'm really happy with this floor. Really easy to cut, easy to do angles, easy to move around, and snaps right into place with each other. So, like a fun puzzle. Thanks for watching this episode, guys. We've made so much progress on the trailer. We can't wait to show you what it's become, but you will see that in the next episode as we push further and further. We get so much more done. Make sure you follow us on Instagram. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell button because that lets you know when Roam with the Rams uploads a new video. It's going to be every Sunday that we upload, first thing in the morning. So I hope you enjoyed us destroying a perfectly good fifth wheel, but turning it into something that we call home. Tune in next week, Sunday, 8 a.m. for the next episode.
Oh